Now if you want to express 64 as a product of two positive integers, you can write it like this, right? 64 into 1, one way, that is one possibility, or 32 into 2, right? Then 16 into 4, then 8 into 8. Now out of this, if you take sum of this, right? 65, 34, 20 and 16. So clearly you can understand that 35 is not possible. So you'll pick 35 as the correct answer. You got it? P plus Q cannot be 35. If P into Q is equal to, if P into Q is equal to 64, P plus Q cannot be 35. That is not possible. It can be 65, it can be 34, it can be 20, it can be 16 also. Now in this question you need to see what is 7 raised to 3 square and 7 raised to 3 square. Okay, what is it? So what is this? 7 raised to 3 square is basically 9. What is this? This is 7 raised to 6. So from this clearly you can understand this is greater, right? So 7 raised to 3 square, which is greater than 7 raised to 3 into 2. So what is the answer? B is the answer. Now here, if n cube, if it is odd, means n is also odd. So n square will also be odd. Odd into odd will always be odd. Okay. So here 1 and 2 are only correct. So you'll pick C as the correct answer. Okay. So only 1 and 2 are correct here. So you'll pick C as the correct answer. Here the maximum value which can be made with this 5 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, right? And the minimum value which can be made is, if you write in the reverse way, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. You cannot start with 0, right? So that's why only this is a change which you need to understand, right? Now what you need to do, you just need to take the difference across, right? So what you get? 3, 2, 9, 7, 6, and you'll mark C as your answer. Now in this question, see what is 11 square? 11 square is 1, 2, 1. What is 1 11 square? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now if you see this pattern, what will be the next one, right? It will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. What will be the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What will be the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So looking into this this term, you can see how many ones will be there. Here center one, you can see how many ones are there. Here you can say 4 ones are there. Here how many ones are there? Here how many ones will be there? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 square. So what is the given in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So this is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square. Okay, so what is the correct answer? You will pick C as the correct answer, right? Only thing is that you need to count the number of ones. If this is 9, 9 ones should be there. Okay, 9 1 square. Now this is a very easy question. You just need to take any 3 odd numbers and any 3 positive odd numbers and check the options. Okay, so you can directly get the answer. Answer for this question is D, right? Take any 3 odd and positive integers and then you can check options, right? See, based on that you can mark the answer. Now what is given in this question is you have a set of 2 to 100, right? 2 to 100 you are writing all the prime numbers and you are multiplying all the prime numbers. So how many zeros will be there in the end? So we have already discussed the concept of how many zeros will be there in the end of a factorial, or how many zeros will be there in the end of a product, right? So basically what you need to find, we have already seen that if you need to get a 0, you need to have a 2 and a 5, right? So if you see this prime numbers here like 2, 3, 5, right? 7, 11, 13, 17, etc., which is going on, how many 2's and how many 5's will be there? There is only one 2, which we already know, because 2 is the only even number, right? So any even number, it will be a composite number, right? So only 1 2 you can get. How many 5's are there? Only one 5 is there, right? So 1 2 1 5 will make a 10. So how many zeros will be there? 1 0 will be there. Answer for this question is A. Now here in this question you need to check the answer option on the basis of this, right? See, if it is even into even, you will get even. Odd into even, you will get odd. Odd into odd, you will get odd. Okay, so here only if it is even into even, you will get even. Now you take up the answer choices and check, okay, based on this condition. Now if you see first one, A is equal to x minus y into x minus z square, right? So in this what they are saying, this is even, right? X minus z itself is odd, so y is already given as even, right? So even into odd is not even, it will be odd, so there itself will get the answer. A is your answer. Now if you want, you can check the others also, it doesn't matter, right? If you check B, y square into x minus z, right? X minus z, you know this is odd, right? So this is even, so you will have to get odd, and that is correct. So B is correct. Now C is y into x minus z, right? Y is even, x minus z is odd, so you'll get odd, that is what given. D is z into x minus y all square. Z is even, x minus y odd minus odd, and if you take square you will get even, right? So even into even, you will get even. So B, C, D are correct. A is not correct. You will pick A as your correct answer. Okay, next question. You substitute the different values for different options and you can get the answer. Let's start with A. You substitute x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. Then if you find x minus y, then if you find y minus x, what you get? 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2, which is an even number, right? So this is not true. Then second option, if you take B, let's take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9, then it is 2 into 9, which is equal to 18, which is again even number, so this is also not true. Now in option C, you take x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 9, right? Then 3 plus 9 by 3 is equal to 4, which is again even, so this also is ruled out. What is your answer? Answer for this question is D, right? D is your answer. You understood? I am just substituting different values, right? Here y minus x is what I need to find out, so I just assume this value 9 and 7. I got it as 2. 2 is an even number, so that is eliminated, right? What they are saying is it cannot be an even number, but we got it as an even number, so that cannot be our answer, right? Then they are talking about xy, right? So I assumed x is equal to 2 and 9. I got 18, so that is also even. They are saying it cannot be even, so eliminated that, right? Then x plus y divided by x. I substitute x is equal to 3 and 9, I get 4, which is again even number, so this option is also eliminated, so I'll pick D as the correct answer. Now in this question, the 4-digit number, you can write it as AABB, which can be expressed as 11 into 100A plus B, right? Now since it is given that this is a perfect square, so 100A plus B must be divisible by 11, right? So 100A plus B must be a multiple of 11. Now the only possible values of A and B which can satisfy this condition is 7 and 4, right? That means this is 7, 7, 4, 4. And how many possible numbers are there? only one. 7744 is the only possible number that you can get. So you'll mark answer as E. See, in 2007 and 8 and all, 2007 and 8 you had 5 answer choices. So then it was difficult. That's why you can see E. The moment you see E, you can understand it's a 2007 or 2008 question, right?